गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। भक्ति प्रमोदाखपुरीमुषित्वा भक्ति प्रमोदाखपुरीमुपासो भक्ति प्रमोदाखपुरीं प्रणम्य भक्ति प्रमोदां लभते जनवै। गौरकृष्ण नामदातां कीर्तनानन्दवर्धनं बहिर्मुखजीवत्रातां वन्दे सरस्वतीं प्रभुं। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। गुरुपाद पद्म नित्रिला प्रविष्टों विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोस्वामी ठाकुर परम गुरुपाद पद्म नित्रिला प्रविष्ट शिल प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर, as well as all acharyas, bona fide acharya and Vaishnavas. I offer my humble dandavat pranam to all of them, and from the bottom of my heart I am begging mercy to carry the loving mission of Lord Chaitanya the rest of my life with purity. So today we are look क्या हुआ देखो, देखो दादी को देखना पड़ेगा ना, दादी को देखने के लिए बोलना। ठीक है ठीक है। Okay, so now we are coming to these questions. महाप्रभुर उपकार के सर्वश्रेष्ठ उपकार each Mahaprabhu's generosity is the best generosity amongst all. This is a question. Is Mahaprabhu's generosity is the best? Is no? Lord Chaitanya's generosity is the best or not? Yeah. So Srila Prabhupada answered, Nishchay, yes. It is the best. Nishchay means actually obviously. महाप्रभु और महाप्रभु भक्तगणের ন্যায় সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ উপকারী আর হয় না হবে না। Mahaprabhu, Lord Chaitanya, and his devotees, their generosity, their help is inconceivable. It is impossible for others to do it, না, উপকারী হয় না। It is inconceivable generosity. It never ever will happen anymore for others. হয় না, হবে না। Before no one perform it, and after that no one can do that. Best way there. So Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's devotees, their generosity, their help is inconceivable. It is not possible to perform for anyone. Before or after, it's not possible. Just try this, okay. So this is the why Prabhupada says so. Mahaprabhu not helping material. Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's devotee. Mahaprabhu means Lord Chaitanya and Lord Chaitanya's devotees. They are trying to help their soul, our soul. What is our real identity? That is soul. Right? Do you think our body is suffering? Or our Jivatma? Jivatma means our soul is suffering. What? Because when we pass our Atma, soul pass away from our body, if someone coming with a sharp knife and stab you, do you say, oh, Prithvi, my son? It is possible for you to say, please protect me. Is it possible for you to say? Because this body is like a cage, container. The Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's devotee is helping that Jivatma, what is suffering actually. With its karma accumulating, this not this body. Karma accumulate, or karma's consequence accumulate by our Jivatma, our soul. Our soul. According to karma, soul is changing their body. If your karma with this body, or Jivatma in your body, if you have become ferocious, the next life you will be in ferocious body, get ferocious body, either mafia, either tiger, either lion, either wild dog, as like. If you are performing hypocrisy, zigzag manner, cheating people, next life, you have to be embodiment of zigzag body, like snake always walking zigzag manner. Karma will not let us be free, So Mahaprabhu and his devotee, they are trying to help us to remove, to destroy our karma's consequence. What is most important? To destroy our karma consequence and deliver our soul from this miserable mundane world, or keep us in miserable mundane world helping materially. What is most important? Prithvi. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya says, Mahaprabhu, means Lord Chaitanya and his devotees, they are performing the best generosity. It is inconceivable, and it is not possible for others before or after. অন্যান্য উপকারের প্রস্তাব বা ছলনা উপকারের নামে মহা অপকার। This material helping, materially helping, অন্যান্য উপকার, others generosity when proposed. Srila Prabhupada said, it is like cheating way to help. Actually it is great apokar, means great deception. Why? If someone hungry, if I give him food, and if I say, I am helping to such person who is really unable to arrange their food, I am helping. So here Srila Prabhupada said, উপকারের অন্যান্য উপকারের প্রস্তাব বা materially generosity, that proposal is like a chalona. Chalona means pretending to help. It's best pretending to help, but actually it is moha apokar. It is great obstacles. আর মহাপ্রভু ভক্তগণের উপকার সত্যই নিত্য পরম উপকার। And Mahaprabhu, Lord Chaitanya and his devotees, whatever generosity they have, it is really eternally param upakar, means eternally unconceivable generosity for everyone. Param upakar, inconceivable generosity or helping to everyone. Like this morning I gave an example. Suppose one parents have a son made some mistakes. The local court gave him punishment to be in jail 20 years or 30 years. So 30 years, one person is showing generosity. He is bringing food for him, and governor of the prisoner, he requests him, please arrange some nice bed for him. There's too much mosquito. Arrange one mosquito for him. Nice bed for him. Milk for him. 30 years he arranged. This is one type of material help, but actual help, which help him to get out from the jail. One person 30 years giving, they agree to give. One person, his source apply and take him out of the jail. So in the eyes of parents, which most beneficial, which helping more and which helping, what is actual helping? In the eyes of the parents, what they will think, which actually help they are shown.
Parent who doesn't want the son to be in jail or taking out of the jail.
Who is taking him? That person, in the eyes of parents, is the best. He is showing his best generosity. Right? Similarly, just materially someone helping. Mahaprabhu's philosophy is not the real help. Just like nowadays, you can see that political leaders, they are thinking social service means to look after the poor people. They are not thinking, so we have to give them such type of engagement where they can be get out from this, where they can be get out from this poor position. They are just helping, like this in Kisan Yojana. This last 2 years, central government is giving for all these farmers. How much? That 6,000 rupees per year, per annum, they are giving. It is. But is that last 2 years, are they happy with the 6,000? Rather, they are become more demanding. Now you can see, when I see the news, then I saw there is a revelation of farmer. Of course, only these politically involved, those businessmen, they are creating such type of revelation. Anyway, this is actually a political matter. But question is, materially, if we are not able to make anybody happy, materially we are not able to make anybody happy unless we are not able to give them connection with source of happiness, embodiment happiness. Embodiment of happiness is Supreme Lord. Supreme Lord is Krishna. And Mahaprabhu wants to give us Krishna. Our soul, Mahaprabhu teaching our soul to be connected with Krishna through chant his name. He says, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Iva Kevalam. Only chant Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. This word, only chant. Then so many people, they are thinking, what is this? This is like a cult. Right? People are thinking this is cult. Because, our nature, our culture, everything based on our association. We are adopting our culture and nature according to our association. I am thinking like the same. Actually, physiologically, if you test, all human beings are same. But their food habit, their culture, their nature is different. Why? Because of their association. Christianity, people, they are thinking their faith is the best faith. Political people, they are always thinking about how to get vote from public. So they are thinking that is their goal, to make people fool and get the vote, their vote in my favor. That is their only goal. If it is other goal, today, how many years passed? 47, 2021. How many years passed? Or we get freedom? 47, 53, almost 74 years. 74 years over, I think the corruption increase then decrease. Corruption in government, I think in British period, if you look, they may take everything from here. But the administration, people feel fear of their administration, right? Nowadays, no fear. Give bribe and Indian government, all the third world country like this, give bribe, go away. Am I right? You know, one of our devotee, he asked me, can I have IS degree? Yes, you can do it. Then eventually try to be Prime Minister. And why are you telling so? Because nowadays, if you look, whoever sitting in the name of PM or minister, whatever, Prime Minister or whatever minister is, their main target, most of them, not everyone, most of them, they are keeping one target. I am 5 years, so I have to collect as much as I can. Then I have to get pension and also security, jet class security, such type of. That is the only goal. They are not actually, most of the politicians nowadays, they are not actually in favor of countries. But Mahaprabhu teaching is in favor of whole universe, not only particular country. You know, once Subhash Chandra Bose, none of this Subhash Chandra Bose from Bengal, he came to our Bagbazar Gaudiya Math. And then he asked our Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. It was 1931 or 32. So he came and asked him, I heard that you have so many young, so many youth joining to your mission. Is it possible for you to help me to get our country freedom? Then Prabhupada asking him, do you believe reincarnation? Yes, I believe. He says, yes, I believe. So today you born in India, countries. Next life you born in British. Now you are against British. Next life you born in Britain. You will be still will be favor of India or against India? What? Then he said, yes, I realize, but I have been promised to make India to establish Indian freedom in this lifetime. Then Prabhupada explained him so many Harikatha. He listened. Then he understood he will not get any youth for his mission. So devotee, doesn't want to involve them with such type of foolish politics. Involve themselves in foolish political matter. Their main goal to help entire universe. Because Mahaprabhu is universal God, Krishna is universal God, not particular or nation. So therefore, Mahaprabhu and his devotees, their generosity is universal generosity and really eternal generosity. তাহা দুদশ দিনের উপকার নয়, whatever help they are performing, it is not for 2 and 10 days. তাৎকালিক উপকার নয়, for the certain time being, this help is not like that. যে উপকারের প্রস্তাব কিছুক্ষণ পরই অপকার প্রসব করিবে, whatever help they are performing, after some time it become against, it become negative for us. Apokar means negative. It give us negativity. It is not like that. It's very difficult to translation, no? যে উপকারের প্রস্তাব কিছুক্ষণ অপকার প্রস্তাব করে যায়, যে উপকারের দ্বারা আরও এক পক্ষের অপকার হবে, means sometime you can see someone helping us. When they are helping us materially, definitely that person is doing something against others, right? Like I saw that tantric, means black magician, someone coming that I am in such situation, please do my favor. Tantra says, I can do you a favor. And I can also give trouble who is the cause of this, When someone, I do some black magic to Prithvi. So Priti goes to Tantric, black magician. Tantric show, now I realize. So Prithvi, why he is not listening from you? The cause of this Maharaj. So I will arrange one mantra which gives trouble to Maharaj, and he will release Prithvi. And eternally Maharaj will face trouble. Maharaj will face trouble. That mantra what I give you. Prithvi becomes so happy. Okay, do this. The tantric, they are help like this for one benefit, another one in obstacles. They will face obstacles. উপকারের প্রস্তাব বিগ সেন্টেন্স বাবা। যেমন আমাদের দেশের উপকারের অন্য দেশের অপকার অনিবার্য। Means, Prabhupada gave an example as, just like an example, in order to get freedom, make India free from, get freedom, we are killing so many people, right? We are killing so many people, right? So British are feeling obstacles. Who is making revolution, right? But Indian soldier, they feel, we conquer. But Mahaprabhu's revelation is different. You know why? The Mahaprabhu not killing, not trying to kill. Mahaprabhu physically not killing their demonic nature. Mahaprabhu's goal to kill that demonic nature. Why? This body given by Lord for his services, because of their association influence, they are engaging their body in different goal. So I have to change them. That is the Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu devotees philosophy. What is best? we are against each other. Now, Mahaprabhu's generosity helping us, loving each other instead of animosity. And now it is loving relation. This is what is good, what is the best? To get freedom with fightings, physical fightings, or to destroy our demonic tendency. And demonic tendency destroy our animosity, right? And establish loving relation amongst each other. What is the best? Prithvi? Loving relation is the best. That is the Mahaprabhu's philosophy and Mahaprabhu's devotee's philosophy. Therefore, Prabhupada says this, if you look, other people, মানে যে উপকারের প্রস্তাব কিছু অপকারের প্রস্তাব করবে, যে উপকারের দ্বারা যেমন আমাদের আছে অনিবার্য, আমার তাৎকালিক সুখে আর একজনের দুঃখ, আবার অপরের সুখে আমার ভোগের অভাব, আমি গাড়ি ঘোড়া চড়ে অপকৃত হইলে ঘোড়াগুলির অসুবিধা অনিবার্য হচ্ছে। Prabhupada gave one more example, nice. For the certain time being, to get some benefit, so big line, আমরা তাৎকালিক সুখে আর একজনের দুঃখ, certain time being, we want to make happy, that is cause of the other in distress. Our again, to make others happy, to see others become happy, to make others happy, and I am feeling deficiency of my enjoyment or lack of enjoyment, to give, sometimes we are offering some generosity and make them happy, and we are feeling the lack of my lack of my happiness, no? Abhav, lack of my bhogir abhav, the lack of my enjoyment, right? Then again Prabhupada gave instruction, আমি গাড়ি ঘোড়া চড়ে উপকৃত হলে ঘোড়াগুলি অসুবিধা অনিবার্য. Like I am going with horse, carriage, horse riding or horse carriage. So I am sitting in that carriage, the cottage, but who is pulling the horse? Horse is suffering. Prabhupada given an example like this. Too big, I have to read, আমরা তাৎকালিক সুখে আর একদিন সুখে আমরা ভোগের গাড়ি ঘোড়া উপকৃত, ঘোড়াগুলি অসুবিধা অনিবার্য। এরূপ উপকারের কথা বলে মহাপ্রভু ভক্তগণ কখনো লোকবঞ্চনা করেন নাই। such type of help or generosity, Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's devotees never say to anybody, never say to anyone. What is that? And cheating others. ভক্তগণ কখনো ভক্তগণ কখনো লোকবঞ্চনা করেন নাই। The Mahaprabhu is not giving such advice or such instruction or such type of help. Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu's devotee, they never do in such type of lokavanchana. Lokavanchana means to cheat people. Vanchana means cheating is bad. They are not cheating. in that manner. তারা এমন উপকারের কথা বলেছেন, Mahaprabhu and his devotees, they are telling such benefit, that they are showing us such benefit, or they are saying us such help. এমন জিনিস দান করেছেন, it's very difficult, so much repetition. এমন জিনিস দান করেছেন, মানে they are giving us such things, যে উপকার সকলের পক্ষে সর্বকালে সর্বাবস্থায় পরম উপকার. That help for everyone, in every time, in every circumstances, is beneficial.
Who is so generous, for them it is beneficial.
Who and both. If we help the soul, Lord become happy, and Lord become, because soul is coming from Lord. Lord become happy means every whole universe become happy. Lord is owner of entire universes, not only one universe.
How do we know, Maharaj, that Lord is happy?
That you can feel yourself blissful
When we help others.
when you really your service accepted by Lord, that make you feel blissful. Your actual temperament will be quiet, humble, full of tolerance, no aggressiveness. You just feel distressed to see how people are in ignorance. You are trying to help them, but they are not ready to accept it. Therefore, that make you feel distressed. You will not be aggressive. Hey, do it. You can see Mahaprabhu never forcing. He always giving philosophy. This. If you look the history of Christianity, then you can see what Muslims are doing today. They did before same thing. People was forced to accept Christianity. If you look history of Christianity, nowadays Muslims, they make a new plan. They pretending like a Hindu. They are coming to Hindu girls, marrying. In that way, they are converting Hindu to Muslim. So there is no such type of Mahaprabhu's philosophy. Our philosophy, spontaneously, people should feel, living entities should feel connection with Lord. Spontaneously, living entities, they should feel connection with the Lord. Spontaneous attachment amongst each other. Like you are feeling so much sad to see the street dog condition. I am also feeling the same thing. I am also feeling the same thing. So for me, better to give them prasadam. I have to be really spiritually inclined. Prasad, in order to make prasad, we have to chant, then offer to Lord. That prasad we have to give to dog. Then their karma can destroy, because they are not able to chant Harinam. Right? When they come together, I saw today, every day morning here, there is a dog outside. If you look, as soon as early morning, Muslim mosque, they are chanting namaz, the prayer. with the loudspeaker. Dog also crying, wow, 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 wow. I don't know. It's strange. Always peaceful early morning. As soon as namaz start, then dogs also crying. Crying, or I don't know what they're doing. Oh, I think only one dog, not all dog. Only one dog. Huh? So, in that way, if you really want to help people, or help the dogs, for me, if I am in your position, I will chant, I will call them little bit chapati or food, and then in front of them I will chant, let them listen the Harinam. Why I am telling so? It was 1991. Few days before of Guru Maharaj's, my spiritual master's appearance festival. Rain, fall, raining was there. It was night around 9:30 to 10 in between. You know, Mayapur means so much mosquito at that time. Am I right? That time was more. Nowadays, so many chemicals they are using is less now. But before, too much, big mosquito. So I am just preparing his bed to hang the mosquito net. All of a sudden, 4, 5 dogs are barking so much. Something happened. You know, Mayapur has so many snakes of that time, poisonous snake. Maybe they saw some snake in the dark, rain going on, raining, dark. Maybe snake, I don't know what they said, but dogs are barking. Then Gurudev asking me, those dogs, they are from our temple? And then he said, oh, Gurudev, actually we have no boundary in our land. All street dog, they are coming to stay, take shelter of us. How many? 4, 5 dogs always staying here. So they are living in Holy Dham. They are not ordinary dog. How you are counting all the heads, and accordingly you cook. You have to count them also, cook for them too. Give them prasadam. Am I clear? Huh? Nothing wrong, but application should be devotional manner. Then their soul can release from their karma, become a street dog, suffering. So therefore we have to practice ourselves first. We have to be spiritual. We first deserve, then desire. First we have to actually deserve it. Then we can help others. First we have to preserve, then we have to propagate. We should engage ourselves to propagate. Am I clear? So anyway, this is good. The Mahaprabhu and his devotee, they are not cheating in that manner to others. To help one and to become obstacle for others. Am I clear? তারা এমন উপকারের কথা বলেছেন, এমন জিনিস দান করেছেন যে উপকার সকলের পক্ষে, আচ্ছা এটা তো বলি, দে মানে মহাপ্রভু and their devotees, Mahaprabhu's devotees, they are giving us such knowledge of generosity that generosity help সকলের পক্ষে, for everyone, every time, every circumstances, it's great generosity. for everyone, every time, eternally, under any circumstances, for everyone. It is a great generosity, great help. এই উপকার কোনো দেশ বিশেষের উপকার, অন্য দেশের অপকার নহে। This such type of help is not helping for particular one country and other country will suffer. It's not for that. এই উপকার সমগ্র বিশ্ব ব্রহ্মাণ্ডের উপকার। That help is help for entire universes. সুতরাং সংকীর্ণ সাম্প্রদায়িক নশ্বর উপকারের প্রস্তাব মহাপ্রভু ভক্তগণ কখনো করেন নাই। Therefore, সংকীর্ণ, this সংকীর্ণ means like সংকীর্ণ, you can say limited. Mahaprabhu's devotees help is not limited or sectarian or destroyable. Sankirna, Sampradayik and Nashar. Nashar means destroyable, Sampradayik means sectarian, and only particular group, Indian language, for everyone, all living being. Or Sankirna means limitation, that's for certain time, for the certain, not like that. Srila Prabhupada says like that. It is, whatever he say, if you look, it is when we are trying to destroy the bad karma's consequence, which is cause of our suffering. That is the best way to help people. Instead of become a lord of for few people, better to become a servant of God. You understand? I want to distribute food 1,000 people, 1,000 poor people. So those poor people, they are thinking you are their Lord, right? And you feel puffed up, false ego, uplifting, which is cause of our suffering also. Because when we are indulging our false ego, you understand what I say? Our false ego increasing, you are giving, indulging them. Okay, go do it, it's nice. It is nice for you now. But that tendency, if you come to say anything against it, you feel he obstacles for me, right? Because of false ego. I am the best, all are foolish. Such tendency make, one sense you are helping 1,000 people, or you are hating 100,000 people. They are not accepting you. Like you can see nowadays, best example is political people, how they are working. Most of the people, they are looking, their party, which supporting their party, they are keeping their focus first towards them. Right? I have seen in that, like in Amphan one storm in Bengal, just few months ago happened. And then central government released some fund to the state government, which really affected in Amphan to their home, to their cow, to their so many things. So 90% they are not getting that benefit. Only these benefit getting to their party. Even they are not They are not losing anything, but they are getting the fund, Amphan fund, the false issue of they are suffering with Amphan, in that way false issue. The soul and getting all this. Therefore, central government they actually discovered it. They are asking state government to give me the accounts. State government, in order to hide them, they close their office because of COVID. Account section they close because of COVID, and they are going to court for he will appealing that court give them order, do it, yeah. What central asking is you have to do it. So they are appealing again and again. Such type of. But Mahaprabhu's no discrimination between Hindu, Muslim, Jaina, Christian. Mahaprabhu's philosophy says that we are living beings. That is our identity. We are soul coming from Lord. Lord is one without second. So no need to fight. They are better to establish love amongst each other. Lord also explained, Je jathamang prapaddante samsataya bhajamam, whatever our mood to pray Him, He is appearing accordingly. No need to hate Muslim, no need to hate any faith. According to their faith, Lord creating their abode. If you have faith to worship God and goddesses, their abode is heaven. You can go to heaven. Heaven also considered like a material world. But it is more modified, comfortable place, materially comfortable. But actually, because of the comfortable, all demonic person attacking this heaven. You can see Hiranyakashipu attack heaven, Ravan attack heaven and take all the god and goddess as his servant. Who arranged about all this? Because all the god and goddesses, they become puffed up, they have false ego too much. The Lord establishes desire. What desire? He wants to fight. In order to make the competition, because the Lord, who can fight the Lord? So Lord, doorkeeper to joy and vijay. The Lord bring His intimate devotee, 4 Kumaro, Sanak, Sanatan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar. They are very quiet. They are Vaishnava. But Vaikuntha means there are no obstacles. For anybody who goes there, they can have access to reach Lord. Vaikuntha. No kuntho means no obstacles. But Joy Vijay, the 2 doorkeepers, they stop him. They stop them. All of a sudden, Shanak, usually he's never angry. She become angry and curse them. Curse both of them, Joy Vijay. Oh, why you are become obstacles for us? I curse you to become demon, to go back to your material world. Mrityulok, a material world. Tulok, material world. Mrityulok means material world. So if someone in Vaikuntha, if you curse them to go back to material world, so what they feel? They are lamenting, they are requesting, then Lord appear in front of them and explain. When after the curse, the 4 Kumaro, Brahma's mind born son, For Kumaro, Sanak, Sanatana, Sanandan, Sanat Kumar, they were lamenting, why I cursed them. As soon as devotees are lamenting, Lord appears in front of them and asking, hey, for Kumaro, this is not your fault. It is my desire. Lord, when he have desire, something, there's a reason is there. To destroy the false ego of all the god and goddesses. So he needs such type of powerful demon. Right? So therefore, Joy Vijay appear first, Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu, and they attack heaven. Who destroy them? Anyway, so after that, Lord give them, I have to finish that. Lord give them option. So he gave you the curse to go back to material world. Two options is there. One option, if you become my enemy, then you have to be there 3 births. And if you are my friend, devotee, to be in material world, the 7th birth, what you choose? They choose 3 births. They don't want to be more than that. So first, they appear in the form of Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakashipu. They attack heaven. They really create lot of trouble for God and goddesses. Then who killed them? Lord killed them. Hiranyaksha killed by Varahadev. This is Vishnu's incarnation. And Hiranyakashipu killed by Narsingha Bhagavan. The next life, which is Treta Yuga, Ravan and Kumbhakarna. It is the same thing. Attack heaven because comfortable place. All the demonic person, they want comfort. They are very selfish. Therefore they are demon. They are not respecting. They want always think about what is their benefit. Now, nowadays, superficial all we are more or less demand. Superficially all more or less all we are demand. All the ministers, they are getting all facility. Jet security, there is front line, there is car, what is that? Car going, convoy car, convoy. So many car with siren, everything all clean. They don't care about general people. They are thinking, I am a minister, I have to enjoy this. Enjoy it. They're also, if such minister, if the minister have such type of understanding, such type of feeling, they're also superficially on demon. Therefore, in Shastra says, Osura lutea khai Krishna samsar. Actually, it is entire world. It is Krishna's world. But demonic people, they are enjoying they're enjoying that. All the material facilities, demonic person enjoying. Anyway, this is not the Ravan and Kumbhakarna, they are also giving the same trouble. Shishupal Dantavakra, they are also giving the same trouble. So, when Lord has desire, you have to know something is there. So, heaven is not the place to go and eternally become happy or comfort or blissful. No. All the god and goddesses, they are in distressful. So many times they are going to Vishnu, try to help. So many histories that I can tell you. So, as a Vaishnava philosophy says, we should not hate anyone, just to speak your philosophy by example. We should not fight. By example, maybe 4, 5 people, maybe 1 people come. We have to know that's enough. Why? If anybody follow Vaishnava philosophy wholeheartedly, they will go back to spiritual abode. Others, there are 14 planetary system is there. In material world, 14 planetary system. Even Brahma is also in the material world, but high class material world. Selfishness very less there. How much you go up, that much selfishness lesser. Down, that much more. Therefore, Vaishnava doesn't want to go to heaven. They want to go back to spiritual abode, means where Supreme Lord is living there. So Mahaprabhu and Mahaprabhu devotees, Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, his devotee is Vaishnava. That they are always insisting all living beings, not only human being, all living being to deliver from this Mrityulok material world. Therefore, I am telling you this. You are very nice. You are feeding the nice generosity, but you have to deliver them forever. For this reason, you have to chant. You have to offer. Then that prasad is to offer them. That's all. Shivananda Sen, he has a dog. Shivananda Sen's son, Gopi Karnapur, right? So he has dog. He invite dog. In Holy Dham, he invite dog and feed them. Am I clear? So Vaishnava never think he is Muslim, he is my enemy. Christian, he is enemy. Buddhist, their enemy. No. According to their karma, to the association, according to the karma, they are getting association, and according to the association, they are understanding accordingly, and they are acting accordingly. And accordingly, they will go back to their karma's place. When Vaishnava feeling distress means, oh, such a nice life Lord give us. With the life we are just, like if you see your son Prithvi wants to work like a labor work on the road, where he has qualification to become a chief executive officer of your husband Ashok's company. Yes. Instead of that, he wants to work actually physical labor work on the road. That will make you happy or not? Happy or not? Not at karma. That make you happy. That may not make you happy. Why? But he has qualification to do that. So every living being have qualification to go back to spiritual whenever they are getting human form. Lord give us the opportunity to observe spirituality. But instead of the proper spirituality, they are just out of the sentiment. They are the trap of Maya. And Maya Devi, accordingly, they are conducting according to the fulfilling their desire. Because trap of Maya, they are, instead of they become servant of Lord, they want to get some material benefit. Am I clear? So Maya Devi came, the Lord sent his Maya. Maya Devi also Lord's devotee. Look, whatever like. So you say you are asking, okay, Lord, I want to be economically rich. Okay, give them nice business. Economically rich is not bad. Bad is material attachment. Bad is to engage Lord for my service. But our identity, we are eternal servant of Lord. We should not engage Lord for my service. Rather, we should make happy Lord, should make Lord happy with each activity and distribute the Lord's love to everyone. Like you are doing distributing love to dog, right? But they will be again dog or in this material world. If you practice and you deserve it, deserve the devotion, because when they will get from your hand devotional prasad, then they will also benefit. They will get benefit. What do you want? Simple food or prasad? Yeah. Also call some Vaishnava to your home, feed. Am I clear? Husband, wife, together, son, together, some Vaishnava. Call the neighbor, make nice prasadam, do sankirtan, manifest, arrange some sankirtan in your home. Whoever come, they listen from Vaishnava's sound vibration in Sankirtan form, they will get benefit, then they give them prasad, they will also be delivered. That is the benefit. That is this established by Lord Himself. Kali Yuga, Sankirtan is only the way to deliver living entities from this miserable mundane world. Am I clear? So anyway, it's not possible to finish today. Now doctor may come. Time to doctor come. So I have to stop, but it's not finished yet. Mahaprabhu's real compassion. Huh? 13. কেন? খেয়াল রাখতে আমার মনে থাকবে ট্রান্সলেট